Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build Lune in Expedition 33. With the build I'm about to show you, you can wipe out entire squads of enemies with only 2 moves from Lune, without the inputs from any of your teammates at all. Take note however, that this build is possible when you enter into Act 3, because you'd have to make use of the Painted Power Picto that lifts the 9,999 damage cap. But you can still apply these same principles before that. The core skills we're going to be using will be the Elemental Trick and Elemental Genesis. Elemental Genesis can only be cast when you have all 4 element stains gathered on Lune, and that's possible with the Elemental Trick, provided that all the hits were critical hits. So it's imperative that Lune has 100% critical hit chance. Once you've used the Elemental Trick, then use Elemental Genesis just about immediately. The core Pictos that we're going to be using will be Cheater, to give Lune an extra turn when she's done using the Elemental Trick. And because you'd need the necessary amount of AP to pull this off, I recommend putting some Energizing Start and Energizing Turns to give yourself more AP to start with. And to get more damage, just slap on more Pictos that give you as much damage as possible. The weapon we're going to be using will be Kralim, which gives you AP whenever you use a stain, to give you more flexibility should you have any concerns for not having enough AP. And that's about it on how to build Lune in Expedition 33.